The first operational process that I'm going to talk is about business and how they still heavily rely on manual data entry processes, especially when dealing with visual data such as image and videos. The main challenge is that they are quite time consuming, as you can imagine, if you have to go over a large data set of images, and it's quite prone to errors as different people may annotate the image differently. Then we have industries such as manufacturing and automotive. Electronics often require quality control inspection processes to ensure that the quality and safety of the products is up to the par. And the main challenge is that the manual inspection methods can be inconsistent, subjective, and time-consuming. Moving on to managing inventory levels, tracking stock movements and identifying objects in real time can be quite challenging, especially for inventory managing processes, which are not only labor intensive, but also prone to errors and inefficiencies. Businesses in the finance sector and legal, they deal with vast amounts of documents. Imagine like a vast array of PDF, receipts, Word documents, that they can contain quite a lot of varied information. That makes it very hard and tedious to go over those documents and extract whatever information you want to get from those, since those are just separate documents. For monitoring security cameras for suspicious activities and complying with safety regulation, it often relies on human operators. And just imagining how bored we get from watching a TV show that is not very engaging. So just imagine watching like a CCTV video feed for 8 hours straight. That's just a recipe for disaster. And it's not the operator fault. I would get bored as well and just not pay as much attention as I would in the first 10 minutes. For healthcare professionals, often have to deal with quite a lot of challenges in the diagnosis and also for monitoring patient health. And this is prone to subjectiveness, as different medical practitioners, they're gonna have different opinions, and it's not something that it's as standardized as one may think from such an advanced field.